All right, so welcome to the session. Okay, today we talk about this topic: create a second income with stock trading, and very glad to see all of you. Okay, let me know in the chat if this is the first time you see me. Type one. Okay, if you're seeing me many times, yeah, you can type 999. Okay, so let me know how many of you is the first time you see me. All right, thank you. Okay, my name is Andy. Andy, you the speaker of today, and I've been doing training for more than 10 years. Okay, more than 10 years, and I created my own software systems from a from a technician. I became a portfolio manager. So if you are wondering, yeah, I don't make money, how? Okay. So the question here is, what actually pays you? Why the market want to pay you? Why? Okay, why market? Okay, why market pay you? That's the question that I ask myself. Okay, why market pay you? Okay, so that's the question that I asked many years ago. Okay, I say, hey, what exactly I do right? The market pay me. Okay, what is the thing that I do right? What's the thing? Or some people say, oh, because you buy the value investing, under value you buy. Right? Some people say, oh, because you are a very patient person, you're very patient, then the market pay you. Okay, or maybe why you make money? Oh, because you buy at the right time. You buy low, like you buy cheap. Okay, is it true or not? Okay, is it true that because you buy cheap? Okay, is it true that because you are patient? Okay, is it true that because you buy low? Okay, is it true that because you your finger is fast? Okay, your finger is fast. You buy before everybody buy. Okay, so the question here is why the market pay you? Okay, why the market pay you? Okay, or because you know how to value investing, you know how to analyze, or is it because you know how to analyze the dividend or this cash flow? Is it because this stock give dividend? That's why you make money. Is it because of all this? Okay, for my study, I realized it's not because you buy cheap. It's not because you are patient. It's not because you get in at the low price. It's not because you analyze the intrinsic value of the company. It's not because this stock with dividend. Okay, so I realized that the most important thing, right, is okay. We call it get paid. Okay, you get paid, right? Holding, because you are holding it. Okay, you need to hold on, right, to the best stocks. Okay, get paid holding the best stock. So the reason you make money is because you are holding on the best stock. You are holding on the best stock. Okay, so why I say not because you buy cheap. Okay, I tell you why. Okay, so over here, I give you an example. So this example is like, okay, example. Okay, example. You buy this stock. Okay, called Meta. Okay, Meta. If you never hold on to the stock, right? Okay, if you never hold on to the stock, you just because you buy cheap, right? Okay, and then you sell away because you buy cheap here, you buy so cheap here, and then you sell away, right? Okay, and then you sell away. Then you realize that, oh, I sold away. Okay, so you make money, yes, but you didn't get paid very handsomely because you never hold on to the stock. Okay, hold on to the stock. So the reason we say that, we want to, if you want to make a lot of money, or if you want to make consistent profit, if you want to make a second income, okay, why you deserve to get paid? You look at your own portfolio and ask yourself, is this the best stock or not? Ask yourself, okay? Ask yourself, because you are the only person that see your portfolio. Okay? So example, okay, anybody have an example of a best stock? Let me know in the chat. Okay, what are some of your best stock? Let me know. Okay, let me know. Let's see whether got anybody understand the idea or experience this thing right now. Okay. Anybody? Okay, if you tell me your best stock is DBS, then maybe not so correct. Okay, if your best stock is something that is Adobe, oh my god, okay, okay, Adobe, okay, Adobe, okay, Adobe, it's not the best stock. Okay, Adobe is not the best stock. Okay, so anyway, it's a good example. Okay, so thank you for sharing this one. Okay, Adobe, is one of the not so good stock. Of course, it's not the worst. Okay, not the worst, but definitely, it's not the best. Okay, a best stock, typically, you know, what do you mean by best? What do you mean by best, right? Okay, so as a broker, as a remiser, one of the key thing here is is we want to see our client make money. Okay, we want to see our client make money. Okay, so while I'm a stockbroker, previously, and now my team is doing the business. Okay, previously, when I'm a stockbroker, okay, I want to make sure that all my clients get the best stock. So when I see something like this, I say, hey, this one not so strong now not so strong. So what is the best stock? The best stock, okay, is the one that go up the most. Go up the most. So during the same period, this period, okay, during the same period, during this period, if you happen to get it here, now you are losing money. Now you're losing money. If you are getting it here, getting it here, okay, now you are breaking even. Yeah, breaking even. Understand what I mean? So Adobe, is not the best. It's not the best because during this August to this place, some stocks, like Nvidia, already gone up. Let's say August, here. Okay, August here. Okay, go up until here. So how much is it? So instead of break even, this Nvidia is up like 90 or 100%, 100%. Okay, 100%. So if you're wondering why you didn't get paid, well in the market, right? Why you didn't get paid well in the market? Because why? Because at your opinion, okay, your opinion might think that Adobe is the best. Adobe is the best fundamental, best software, best company in the world. But the fact is not so true. Okay, the fact is there's somebody out there that is even better, and these are the so-called the best. You understand? Okay, so over here, Nvidia is one of the best. Okay, especially if you are talking about mega cap. If you're talking about mega cap, Nvidia is the best. Right, is the best. Nvidia is the best stock out there. Okay, mega cap. Okay, Google, is Google the best? Okay, is Google the best? So let's take a look at this Google. Okay, so Google is also not the best. Okay, not the best. Okay, so Google also same thing. If you look at this August, okay, until now it's minus. Okay, is losing money. Okay, it's losing money. So is it good? The answer is no. So over here it turned red. Okay, this is the sometime when we see this red color, we will sell this stock away. Okay, so if you're wondering what is this system, this is the system that I did. It's called NDU system. Okay, and over here, let me just share with you how you see this. Okay, so there's this system we call it position trade strategy. Position trade strategy. So position trade strategy, okay, when it is blue color, it's called the uptrend. Okay, uptrend. So blue color means uptrend. So over here, when there is a blue arrow, these are the opportunity. Opportunity. So blue color arrow, this opportunity, the entry signal, entry signal, entry signal, and entry signal. Okay. So of course, when it turns around, then there will be a red arrow. There'll be a red arrow. So this is a exit signal. Understand? So over here, okay, over here, the key thing here is, you want to buy when it is on the uptrend. You want to sell when it is on the downtrend. So a downtrend can continue and continue and continue and continue and continue. So if the thing crash, this system, right, will definitely help us to exit. Okay, this system will definitely help you exit. So one example is if you happen to see a stock, let's say CapitaLand. Okay, CapitaLand Invest. Okay, so if the stock, right, is going on this kind of like downtrend, right, it will show the red color. It will show the red color. It will show the red color, red color, red color. And especially when it go fast, okay, it go down fast, right, over here, right? From $3 go to 270, you will see that it shows you the red color. Okay, so we have three system. One is position trade. The other one is super trend. Super trend is also another system that tell me about the trend. Okay, and this bottom master is to pick the bottom. Okay, so from here you can tell that wow, this one is a good way to exit, to get out. Okay, to get out. Okay, so when you look at this, right? Okay, we look at this, right? This system, right? Okay, the best stock. Okay, what do you think is right now the blue one or right now the red one? Okay, the best stocks, right, is blue or red. Okay, obviously, right? Best stock is going to be blue color, blue color. So that's why when I see, when I see if you show me, let's say Google, okay, Google, I will say, hey, Google cannot be the best lah, cannot be the best because best is blue color, red color, not unlikely. Okay, it's going to be unlikely, right, that this is the best. In fact, right, on the right side here, on the right side here. Okay, they show you the stock, right, with other similar sector. Similar sector. Okay, so with this, you can see that, okay, which one is the best? The blue color one. Blue color is Meta. Okay, there's another stock that is pretty good, right? Which is this DoorDash, which is in the orange color. Orange color. So when you look at this, you can click on DoorDash, and then you see that, oh yeah, wow, this one is much stronger than Amazon. Okay, it's much stronger than Amazon. Okay, but again, some people say, hey, no, Amazon is a big company. How can you compare Amazon with Dash? Okay, the thing here is this. Okay, uh, all of us have limited capital. Agree or not? All of us have limited capital. Okay, so for limited capital, we cannot afford to always be waiting for the stock to go up. Okay, we cannot afford to do that. Okay, so what we want to do here is we want to maximize our money. Let our money work harder than us. Okay, let our money work harder than us. So we always put our money on the uptrend. Okay, on this blue arrow, on this blue arrow, on this blue arrow, on this blue arrow, on this blue arrow. You understand? Okay, so over here, let me just share with you another thing here is how do we choose the stock? How do we choose the stock? Okay, so by the way, okay, we choose the stock. First thing first is you want to, first of all, understand this idea called the 90-10 rule. 90-10 rule. Okay, 90-10 rule means in the market, right, 90% of the people, right, make money or not? 90% of the people don't make money. Okay, so you must understand this idea first. So never make money, right? It's normal. Okay, it's normal. How many percent make money? 10%. Why is it like that? Why is it like that? Why not 90% people make money, 10% people lose money? Why? Why not another way around? Okay, because 90% of the stock, right, is going to be lousy stock. Okay, lousy stocks. 10% is the best. So 90% of the stock is going down. 90% of the stock is going sideways. Only 10% of the stock is going up. Okay. So that's why we need a screener. The screener, actually, what does the screener do? The screener, right, help us to zoom in. Zoom in here. Zoom in. Okay. So zoom in. Okay. So this is you. You just zoom into the 10%. 10%. Understand? So let me share with you how I choose the stock. How I choose the stock, okay? Okay, is it okay I share with you? Yes or no? Yes, type yes. Okay, type yes. Is it okay that I share with you? Okay. So over here, this is the system. Okay, this is the system. Okay. And from here, right? Okay, I choose US market. US market. So when I choose US market, right? I choose US market. Okay, some people will ask me why I choose US market. Okay, by the way, I want to tell you, US market right now is very, very strong. It's in a very bullish market. And this kind of market, right? You can actually make a fortune. Okay, you can make a 100,000, 200,000 kind of profit if you catch the right stock. Okay, if you catch the right stock, or if you stay inside long enough. Okay, or maybe more. It depends on your capital. Okay, so over here, like at Ultimate Bull, this is one of the screener. So this Ultimate Bull, right, is one of the screener that helped me to identify the strong trending stock, a strong trending stock. Okay, so along this, some of these stocks, right? Okay, some of these stocks, I just share with you a few lah. One of my favorite is this, but don't buy it because tonight is the earnings. Okay, tonight is earnings, so it's a bit you know dangerous lah if you just go in and buy it tonight. Okay, so this is one of our favorite. One of our favorite. Okay, so this stock, right? Abercrombie and Fitch. Abercrombie and Fitch. Okay, so have you all see this stock or buy this? Okay, if you see before you type S, if you buy this, you type B. Okay, type B. C, if you see before you type S. If you buy this before you type B. Okay, if you never see, never buy before, type no lah. Okay, type no. Okay, so the thing here is this. Okay, if you never see before, then you will never buy. Okay, so the concept is like this. The concept is if you never see, you will never buy. If you never see, you will never buy. So what's the problem? The problem is how to see. How can I see this? How can I see? You understand? So our job, right? Okay, is every week, every week, I actually did like a study lah. Okay, so I will put this down. I will put this VRT, this kind of stock. I will put it in my watch list. I will have all kind of uptrend stock. Okay, all kind of uptrend stocks. Okay, to some people, especially people who are new, right? They will say, "Wow, expensive wow, up already expensive." Okay, that is very normal. If you think that it is expensive, it is dangerous, it is up already, it's very normal. It's very normal. But if you think that wow, like that I can make a lot of money because go up very steady Okay, that is the different kind of thinking. So the thing here is, these are some of the stock. Some. Okay, some of these stocks, XPO. Okay. Some of these stocks. Okay, there's not even all of the stock, right? One of the student buy CLS is quite crazy. Okay, it's quite crazy. Okay, let me just share with you if I get so some of these, right, they get this stock. Okay, is quite you know quite quite crazy because because a lot of these stock, right, okay, sometimes they don't even know what they do. Okay, like what exactly this company do. Okay, like example this one of the student just sent me this morning. Okay, this morning. So he sent me this one. Okay, this one of these stock. CrowdStrike. Okay, CrowdStrike make $8,000 US dollar. Okay, 8,000 US dollar. Okay, I say how come? How come? Okay, so last is 362, cost at 314. Okay, 314 to 362. How long does it get? Okay, so let's see CrowdStrike. So the thing here is this. Okay, get in somewhere here, and then tonight, right? And tonight, right? There's a gap up. Okay, there's a gap up 20%. Okay, but this is not exactly the best one. The best one. There are many more. There are many more. So like example, just now I was telling you this CLS, okay, CLS. So CLS is actually here, okay. So this is one of the stock CLS, okay, CLS. So the cost is 41.2, last is 47, okay. So if you look at this CLS, okay, CLS, sometimes you don't even know that, okay, wow, this stock can continue to go higher, can continue to go higher. So a lot of people will be wondering, hey, how you know can continue to go higher? How you know can continue to go higher? How you know? You know what's the answer? The answer is actually, do you really have to know whether it will continue to go higher? Do you really have to know? Do we really know? Actually, no need to know. No need to know. Okay. The idea is this thing called the trend following. So basically, we have this system called the super trend. Okay. Super trend system, right, is green color is uptrend. Uptrend, you can buy on the dip, you can buy on breakout, you can buy on dip, you can buy on breakout. So as long as you enter, you buy already, right? If the stock continue to go higher, we just hold on to it as long as it didn't go below the purple line. As long as it doesn't pull back and go below the purple line. Okay? So yes, you can buy something like Nvidia. You don't have to buy things that you don't know. You can buy things that you know. Same thing. Same thing. Some people will predict, yeah, too expensive, too high. But what we do is we continue to hold on to this uptrend as long as it is still up. And another thing here is this thing below here. Blue color here, right, represent the smart money. Smart money. So as long as the smart money is still in, we continue to stay confident with this stock. Okay, stay confident with this stock. So there is a quite a number of of our student making quite good money lah. Okay, let me just share with you some example of the stock. Okay, so this is one of the portfolio. Okay, to some people, maybe not that fantastic. Okay, like, make this a bit of money only. But for people, who just started, for people who are beginners, actually, it can mean a lot to them lah. It can mean a lot to them because you see, the market value is 30,000 USD. The profit, right, is 8,000. So 30,000 USD minus off 8,000, the capital is 22,000. 22,000 or 23,000. So 23,000 make 8,000. How many percent? How many percent of the portfolio actually gain? How many percent? Okay, 22,000 make 8,000. How many percent? Okay. Okay, so that's about 35%. Yes, very good. Yeah. Okay, 35%. Okay, so over here, okay, Nvidia 527. That's the cost. 507. So if you look at this, let's say Nvidia. Okay, Nvidia. So one thing they get it right is $522 Nvidia. So $522 Nvidia is somewhere here, this blue arrow. And that is a good entry point, actually, because that is the start of the trend. And that is only less than 3 months ago, right? Now it's March. So this is the entry point is somewhere in January. Okay, in January. Okay, so January to March. So not bad, This Nvidia got 61% up, 61%. SOXO, okay, SOXO at 34 entry point. SOXO is what? Semiconductor, right? Okay, so this is SOXO, and at this how much? $35. $35 is somewhere here. And that is like 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. Okay, 2 weeks ago, and get like 43%. TQQQ at 49. Right, TQQQ, how long was it? $49. Okay, so TQQ $49 is maybe also about 2 months ago. Okay, two over months ago, January. So January until now. All right. And FBL, okay, FBL, okay, 124. Okay, this one didn't really go up much, only go up 13%. CLS at 42. Okay, and the rest not much lah. So the key profit is from here. It's from here. You understand? So the idea here is, actually, there is, quite a lot of this different way to make money, and some of them really really profit a lot from the current trend. Okay, profit a lot from current trend. Okay, so again, some example. I'll give you some example. Okay, this one is another one. Okay, this one is another one. So this is a bigger account a bigger account. So this account, okay, this account profit is 131,000. Okay, in USD is I think 28,000 lah. So USD in 28,000. Okay, so 28,000, right? How? Okay, how a 90 over thousand dollars portfolio make $28,000 profit in a short period of time? Okay, so think about this. Just now, what I share with you, right, the concept here. This concept, right, is not telling you that, oh, you don't have to do anything. You just sit there and wait for the money to drop. Okay, I'm not telling you this. I'm telling you that in this market, you need to be the best. If in any job, okay, in any job, some of you, you may be a lawyer, you may be a doctor, or you may be an architect, you may be a salesperson, you may be a property agent. Okay, I'm saying that in life, we have to be the best, lah. Okay, we have to do our best. So if we do our best, we make money. Is it fair? It's fair, right? So in stock market, right, we also have to do our best, then we make money. Correct? Not? But it's not how hardworking we are. It's how best is the stock. How best, like, how good is the stock. Okay. So SMCI, this one, the cost is 494, and this one is up 83%. So this is one of the key stocks, right? SMCI, that this person, one of our students, right, make money. So how much is the price? Let me see again. Okay, the price is 494. So 494 is somewhere here. So 494. Okay, 494. So 494. Okay, I think it's the average price lah. That means here she buy already, then here they buy more. So it become average price 494. So the key thing is this is the best. SMCI is one of the best stock in the market over the past few months. Okay, so by the way, I'm sharing with you, also like what are some of the best stock lah. Okay, so you can write down some of these names. Okay, Meta, 300 entry, and then now it's 500. So 61% make 5,000 USD. Meta, that one show you before lah. This stock probably you never see before. Elf. So Elf Beauty, 161. Okay, so this dog Elf, right? Some of you might not, maybe you never see before. Okay, so Elf was here, 161, and it just shoot up over the last 1 month to 220. So that is how, how this portfolio, right, actually make money, right? Like in such a short period of time, there's a 20 over percent gain in the portfolio. It's not by luck. It's not random. Okay, it's not that, oh, today I buy some Apple and buy some Amazon, and I just randomly make this money. It's not. It's actually because this person really, really, pick some of the best stock in the market. Okay, is it fair or not? Is it fair or not? If you pick best stock and then you make money, is it fair? It's fair, right? Okay, it's fair, right? So the idea here is through this screener, we position ourselves. Okay. So there's a few things. Okay. One thing is, this system, right? When they come out with a blue arrow, the question some people ask, how do you know, when do this blue arrow come out? Like the blue arrow usually come out, right? Before the move. Before the move. So the pullback. Okay, the pullback. The pullback, right? Okay, the pullback is the what we call the entry point, right? The pullback. Okay, the pullback is the entry point. So when there's a pullback, okay, that is where that's where the blue arrow actually come in. Okay, where should come in. So so one of the stock, this MSTR, just now I share with you, right, that crypto stocks, right? Crypto stocks. We also make money. Okay, so one of it, very interesting. Okay, I did a video on my YouTube channel. YouTube channel. Okay, so my YouTube channel is youtube.com/NDYYEW. Okay, by the way, I mostly do Chinese lah. Okay, but I'm trying to start an English class for this YouTube English YouTube channel. There'll be soon soon. Okay, so this is a crypto stocks, crypto video. Okay, only 1,500 view only, very little, very little. So over here, okay. So this was one of the stock. Okay, one of the stock. So during the time, crypto Bitcoin was at 51,000, and then of course now it's 58,000, right? Or how much? Okay, but so that period, right? Okay, I was talking about this MSTR, MicroStrategy, and I'm saying here, okay, at this moment, at 473, okay, 已经看到了, okay, that means I already saw this stock, right? And this is the so-called a bottom signal, a bottom strategy, okay, and after that, there is a pullback, and I got in somewhere here, 520 something, 520. I got in here. So so the idea here is, like this stock, right, actually run up more than Bitcoin. This stock MSTR actually go up more than Bitcoin. Okay, go up more than Bitcoin. So by entering this one, one of the profit, right? It was very good profit. Okay, the MSTR went up to 720, 790, and I got 47%. 47%. So that's the thing. Okay, say 5 days earn 47%. 5 days. Okay, doing this trade, right? 5 days earn 47%. Okay, of course it comes with risk and all that, but I saw that the trend was on crypto stock. Okay, and then there was another blue arrow over here. Okay, there was another blue arrow over here. So after the first wave, 5 days go up 47%, right? After this wave, right? Okay, after this wave, right? It rests for a few days. And then there's a blue arrow again. A blue arrow again. Okay. So with this blue arrow, so over here, okay, this blue arrow, okay, actually trigger another entry signal. Okay. Okay. So the entry signal was so good that it actually went up, so much. Okay, so in fact, right, we have this crypto tab, right? This place crypto. So with this crypto, right, this feature, okay, actually we can look at Bitcoin price. Can look at Bitcoin price. So can the system trade crypto? Okay, so far it looks okay. It looks okay. Okay, it tells you when is the entry, when is the exit, when is the re-entry, and whether the trend is still healthy or not. Okay, so you can see that some of these other, okay, let's say this BEF, okay, this BEF or Bitcoin ETH. Okay, so it's a blue arrow, and then that's how you write the trend. And this BNB, okay, BNB. So you can see that this is the strategy. But again, of course, these are not very good kind of like things to trade. Okay, not very good things to trade. Okay, what I mean here is we prefer to trade stocks. Okay, we prefer to trade stocks. Okay, so from here, you can see blue arrow, you can see blue arrow, you can see blue arrow, you can see blue arrow on this Solana. Right, you can see for crypto stocks as well. Right? Okay, so over here, any questions? Let me know in the chat. Okay, let me know in the chat. Okay. While answering your questions, right? Let me just also share with you. Okay, Bitcoin is up, but why marathon and digital is down? Because market haven't opened lah. Tonight market open. I think likely with Bitcoin up, they will be up lah. But my word of caution is the crypto stocks, right, has reached you know a point that the risk is not so worth it for now. Okay, risk is not worth it, not so worth it lah. Okay, so I think need a break, need some rest before before we want to have another entry. Because for me, I also recently take profit. Okay, I also recently take profit. Okay, so I think maybe not so worth the risk. Okay, if there's some pullback, if there's some consolidation, that is better. Okay, that's better. All right, so let me know what question you have. What question you have? So okay, very good. I see some question coming in. Okay, okay, that's a very legit question. A very legit question. Apple. Apple. Okay, so if you look at the stock that we do, right? I share with you a few stock. Just now I share with you ELF. Okay, ELF. What's the difference between this ELF and stocks like Apple? Okay, if you put your money here, right? Okay, let's say you put 5,000. Okay, so what happened here is, it's up 28%, 30%. Okay, even after the drop, you are up 20%, 20%. You understand? So this is up. Even $5,000 is not a lot of money, but this not a lot of money is up 20%. You are moving upwards. You're moving upwards. The problem with Apple, right? Okay, is Apple during the same period is moving downwards. And the software here shows red candle. Show red candle. So which means there is a chance for you to get out. Okay, get out. And after you get out, actually you save this amount, which is 10%. Okay, so one stock go up 20%. One stock go down 10%. Okay. So the question here is, right, some people will say that, yeah, maybe this one will go up. Apple maybe will go up. The answer is correct. You're right. Maybe Apple will go up. But if you go up, okay, if you go up, then it will turn blue. Yes or not? If you go up, then it will turn blue. So if you go up, it will turn blue. Then might as well I wait for blue arrow, then I buy. You understand what I mean? Okay. Then I will actually I will actually kind of like I will want to wait for this blue arrow, then I get in. Okay, I get in. Understand? So so that is the thing here. Okay, that's the thing here. So okay, personally, I also like Apple. In fact, right, before it turned red, I was holding Apple. I was holding Apple. Understand? But when it turned red, I say, yeah, this guy waste my time. Faster I throw away. Okay, so I throw away this. And one of the thing is I changed to CrowdStrike. Okay, CrowdStrike. One of the stock I changed is from Apple, I switched to CrowdStrike. From Apple, I switched to Amazon. Like this after we sold Apple and Google. Okay, after we sold Apple and Google, we have some Amazon, we have some CrowdStrike, and then we have some ANET. Okay, ANET. We have some ANET. Okay. So after we get out of that Apple trade, okay, Apple trade, we got ANET. And ANET was much better. Okay. And of course, that was quite a while ago also lah. Okay. So that is the thing here. When you get out of the lousy one, then you have more money for the better one. Okay. So of course, a lot of people will still hold on to Apple lah. Okay. There's nothing wrong. You can, but what I'm saying here is you need to understand that concept. The concept is actually why the market want to pay you. Why, some people get get to make a lot of money? Okay, why some people get to make a lot of money? Because he buy SMCI, because he buy Meta, because he buy Elf, because he buy Nvidia. Okay, and the most important thing is he never anyhow sell away. Never anyhow sell away. Okay, so what I mean by that, if you catch a good stock and you never hold on to it, it's as good as you never get that stock. Because if you sell away this stock, how are you going to get it again? How are you going to get this stock again? Right? So the thing here is one of the stock that we have is Dell. Also same thing. Okay. So we try to hold on to the stock as long as possible. As long as possible. So the thing here is this, okay, the question is good. Okay, good stock. Okay, good stock. So just now your question is REITs good stock? Okay. So good, right? In the stock market, actually is not good enough. Okay. Good in the stock market, right, is not good enough. Okay. In the market, right, you cannot have good. Cannot just good. You must be the best. You must catch the best. So the better answer is this. The answer is if you are looking at the REITs, right, you must ask, is REITs the best sector right now? Is REITs the best stock right now? Which REITs is the best REITs right now? Or best uptrend REITs right now? Okay, so that is the question, okay, that you try to ask is better. Okay, so let's say Keppel DC, let's say. Keppel DC. Okay, Keppel DC. So Keppel DC, right, is on the downtrend. It's on a downtrend, it's on a downtrend. Okay, it's on a downtrend. It is definitely not expensive. It is cheap. Okay, it is cheap. Fundamental can be good and all that. But again, okay, for me, right, okay, for me, I'm a bit kind of a extreme person, okay. Right now, I'm actually financially free. Okay, I'm financially free right now, and like my idea is to also to share with you how you can also like make your money work harder, make money work harder. Okay, so the traditional way of doing things is we buy and wait. We buy and wait. Okay, we buy and wait. We collect dividend, but usually this is not the way because if you look at some of the cases, right, some people would have buy this Keppel DC and then they just hold on until today. Hold on this way. When will it go up? Actually, nobody know. Nobody know. Some people say, oh, if interest rate go down, then the REITs will go up. If interest rate go down, then the REITs will go up. So what if interest rate never go down? Or what if interest rate stay on like this for the next 3 years? Then the question is, do you want to stay with this or not? Okay. So our idea is let's catch the best stock right now. Okay, let's catch the best stock right now. Okay, right now. So this strategy, right? Let's catch the best stock right now. It will appeal on the current situation. That means currently, just now I show you, right, some of these stocks like CLS, like this ELF, like this MSTR, like this Nvidia. Okay, so these are the best stock right now. Okay, that's best. So if the thing changes, okay, if let's say, okay, interest rate go up, now the REITs is start going up. Okay, now bank stocks start to go up. Actually, you can also buy the bank stock, buy the buy this like a buy the bank stock, buy the REITs when bank and REITs, right, is doing well, when they are the best, So for now, are they the best? The answer is not really lah. So Keppel DC REITs is not the best, but Keppel, okay, Keppel Limited, okay, Keppel Limited is is potentially one of the better stock in Singapore. One of the better one, this one. Okay, can you share a few best Hong Kong stock? Thank you. Hong Kong is the worst market, okay, worst market, but in this worst market, right, you can also catch the best stock, okay? But don't expect too much for Hong Kong. Okay, Hong Kong is the weakest market. One good thing is actually it haven't really run. Okay, so for me to find the best stock in Hong Kong, I do a simple ranking, and then I look at some of these stocks, and some stocks, right, like this Hysan. Okay, this stocks has been really good for a long time actually. It's not the first day, it is the best. It's not the first day. This stock has been in our watch list since this place that I draw has been in our list. So Hysan is one of the best. One of the best. Okay. So here there's a blue arrow, there's a blue arrow, here there's a blue arrow. And do take note that recently the Hong Kong market is down, but Hysan is still, moving up. So that's a good price action. Okay. So the rest, I'm not very sure. Okay, that is a Mongol mining. Okay, this is a coal, okay, coal stocks. Okay, by the way, if you are not our student, if you are not well trained through this class, right, you cannot take this kind of stock. Okay, the reason why you need to come for the class is, if you're looking for this kind of trade, if you're looking for this kind of trade, it is possible for you to catch this. It is possible. Okay, it is possible because if you never, right, okay, if you never, right, you cannot really catch the kind of the trend. Okay, you cannot really catch the kind of trend. I share with you maybe example. See whether got better example. Okay, I think I share with you quite a few example already. Okay, so the thing here is this. Okay, this Mongol mining is a coal. So in China, right, actually the coal sector, right, is one of the strong sector. So if you looking at the best stocks in this Hong Kong, right? Coal, Yankuang, and this what China Shenhua, okay, China Coal, okay. This is the sector that you want to be in. So there's some kind of a blue arrow. So basically, it is not an extended rally. Okay, it is not extended rally. Okay. So the one of the reason why we keep on staying in the market is because we know that, like example, like let's say, like whether Hong Kong market, is it strong or not? Is it stage two or not? Is Hong Kong market in stage two or not? So what I do is I will do a ranking. I do ranking, and I will rank this stock up and see which are the stocks, right, that is in the stage two. Which are the stocks in this Hong Kong stocks, right, in stage two? Is it the Tencent? Is it the big company? So if the big company is not in stage two, right, then we will not want to be in this market. Okay, we will not want to be in this market. So we want to be in this market because it is a very bullish market. Then we want to be in this market. Okay, so even in this Singapore also same thing. Okay, why we don't want to be in the Singapore market is because Singapore market is not the strongest market. Okay, it's not the strongest market. Understand? SDI rebound, right? Time to go in for good stock. For bank stocks, maybe. Okay, maybe. Okay, so if you look at like UOB, okay, there is some kind of a bottom signal. So bottom signal means, it's quite cheap right now. It's quite cheap right now. So by right, the buyers should be coming in. So if you look at Singapore, okay, Singapore, if you look at like bottom master uptrend, okay, so yes, you're there could be some bottoming happening. So UOB is one of them. CapitaLand, Ascendas REITs also have a bottom signal. Mapletree Industrial also have a bottom signal. Okay, so if you think these are some of the so-called the good stock, now is cheap. Yes, you are right, it's cheap. Okay, so if there's a rebound, okay, you want to buy good stock, is not a bad idea. Okay, it's not a bad idea. But if you want to kind of like, it's very different because the thing that we do in US market, it's very different from Singapore market. Okay, so in US market, we go for the best stock. Okay, so if you are up for challenge, then the best stocks. Okay, go for the best stocks. Can you explain what the red and blue arrow? Okay, blue arrow is an entry opportunity. Red arrow is an exit opportunity. Okay, blue arrow is the start of the uptrend. Red arrow is the start of the downtrend. So in the market, you want to know what is the big mover, the fast mover. So in Singapore, why I don't trade Singapore stock is because Singapore only got 4 stock that is so-called the big mover. Okay, and a lot of them you cannot really kind of like a trade. Okay, so here there's the entry point. This is the entry point. But in other market, okay, let's say in Hong Kong, let's say somebody interested in Hong Kong. So in Hong Kong, are they big movers? Should be not a lot also, but at least more than Singapore. Okay, so in Hong Kong, these are some of the big movers. And the best one is just now the one Mongo Mining, Hai San, Haitong International, CGN Mining. Okay, so these are some of the best stock. Okay, the best stock. So you want to catch the big mover, the Yuan Kuang Energy. These are some of the best stocks. So these are the bottom signal, which is help you to catch the low point. Catch the low point. So if you happen to catch something like this here, this is a very good entry point. Okay, that's why we call it a bottom signal. So that's the so-called the bottom signal. Okay, so if you are looking at this kind of strategy, bottom signal is the strategy to help you. Okay, so blue and red is the trending strategy. So trending strategy, you can see blue color, blue arrow is the start of a trend. It's the turning point. After you see blue arrow, it rebound. Okay, so blue arrow start of the trend, blue arrow rebound. Okay, blue arrow start of the trend, blue arrow rebound. So, that is the blue arrow. Does the chart show support and resistance? Yes. You look at super trend. So super trend will show you the support and the resistance. Okay, let me give you a idea, the tip. Okay, on the uptrend, we don't look at resistance. Okay, uptrend we don't look at resistance. On the downtrend, we don't look at support. Okay, we don't look at support. So this super trend, right, is designed for to help us to catch the big trend. So if you want to catch a big trend, like this China coal, okay, then you don't look at the the resistance because it always break the resistance. However, if you use the what we call this is a top signal. Top signal is a short-term resistance. Short-term resistance. Short-term resistance. Okay, so this one sometimes we use as a breakout strategy. So this resistance, if you can break out, then it means that it's going to go crazy. It's going to go crazy. So that is the another strategy. Okay, what is the meaning of the blue bars and green bar at the bottom? So blue bar and green bar, this one green color, right, means the retail are stuck. Retail are stuck. Okay, blue bar means these are smart money. So this is a NDU smart money index. Okay, this is an NDU smart money index. So this NDU smart money index is track the smart money. So when we see that this stock got smart money, these are the better one. If you look at stocks like, let's say, Olam, if you ask me, Olam good or not? Olam good or not? I will tell you, Olam for the last 1 year, no smart money. But now have a bit. Now got some smart money coming in. Understand? So the smart money, okay, you say like, hey, Andy, how come you talk about this XPO? XPO, why? How come you got see this XPO? Oh, because smart money a lot. Got a lot of smart money here. Okay. Andy, how come you look at this uh like some of these stock. So Alpha, why we look at Alpha? Oh, because this one got smart money. Okay, very steady. The smart money is there. You understand? Okay, TSM, is it good buy now? Okay, this is a good question also. Let me just help you to see. Okay, where is the good buy? Where is the good buy? The good buy is the blue arrow. So when I design the software, right, I design this because people like to ask me question. People like to ask me question. Okay, so the question is it a good time to good buy now? The answer is no, not a good entry. Where is the good entry? The good entry is here. So if you look at this blue arrow, around this place, it was a good entry. Around this place, it was a good entry. Around this place, it was a good entry. So the stock always, when you don't feel like buying, then it's actually supposed to buy. When you feel like jumping in, maybe not good time to get in. And maybe it's not a good time to get in. You understand? So that is the idea.